Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pong in Scratch. So let's get into it. So first we'll make a paddle. So you want to do this. Oh wait, never mind, don't do this one. This is not the correct tool. It is this box. Make it about like that and fill it with green. Now just for some extra detail, let's go to this, and now we will just go into this and making it just a bit darker for extra detail. Put it right there for some detail. Now this would be your sprite that we will be using, and let's rename it to paddle. There we go. Now let's go back to the coding and delete this guy, this little cat, and make him events. When flag clicked, go to this forever, then do to motion, and do set X to, and then go down to sensing and use mouse X right here. There you go. Now paddle should be finished. So now it will follow your mouse. Just to add a little here, I'd say shrink the size. I'm going to do it about 75. Yeah, like 75 a lot. Just right there. So this will be our paddle. Then we want to go to this and make a new sprite. And then go to this, outline to 0. I'm going to do something like this. Like that. Yeah. Now just make it the size of the bottom of this. So, yep. Place it about right there. Now move the paddle right there. Now let's start coding this. First, let's rename it line. Now let's do this coding. Events, when flag clicked, go down to forever, and do if, then go to sensing, go to touching, put it there, and change this to, for it to add something, choose sprite, do ball. Do this and do if touching ball, stop all, which should be in the control. Yep. So then if the ball touches the line, the game will stop. Now let's script the ball, which is a bit more scripting, but that's alright. When flag clicked, go to variables, I'm going to make a variable and change it to score. When clicked, set score to 1. When flag clicked, motion, you point in direction 45. Put in forever steps, and then go to variables, add in score instead of 10. And go to motion and do if on edge bounce. When flag clicked, motion, go to X 2 and Y 22. Add a forever and put in set drag mode not draggable. And then go down to control and do if then, and then if then right here. Then go to sensing, touching paddle. And this is where we will be making it so if it touches the paddle, it bounces. Touching mouse pointer and change it to paddle. Go to variables and do change. It shouldn't be my variable, so change it to score by 1. Turn. Now we'll just go into operators and get this right here. 170 to 190 degrees. Then head to motion, new move and steps. And then go to control and do wait. Turn here, 0.5 seconds. When it bounces, the ball will hit there. But then after this, I'm going to teach you how to change the background because same screen staying there the whole time just won't look very well. Done. So then it will slowly speed up and speed up and speed up. And that is how most of this will work until I teach you one thing else. So you see it speeding up. As you can probably tell. When flag clicked, looks, switch backdrop 2, go to your backdrops and pick one. I'll just do, what if we make it, I'll make it so like you're walking into a castle or something. And I'd say this looks like castle background, like where a castle would be. Variables, set my variable, change it to score. Wait until operations and do this one, and then do score, and then is bigger than 5. Actually, then do next backdrop. So then let's just add another backdrop. We can make it like walking into a castle. Let's just do castle 1. Delete this backdrop right here. So yeah, and then head to ball. And then we'll do score 5 and then I'll just duplicate this and set the score to 20. Now duplicate it once again and change the score to 35. I'll add another backdrop. Now I'll just go to fantasy, and because that's where all the castles are going to be, and I'll do castle 3. Then I go to the costume. Oh, you can change the balls. You can change them by going to blue and just switching them like that. And then go to code, and then you go. I think we should make the next backdrop like boss fight. So let's do outside the castle. We just have to set this score to 1.
It probably sounds confusing, but it's so cool.
I bet we can just literally take that out.
This is yours.
Yeah, we can. Leave that.
Or
So then it comes down,
this.
and you just
Or this.
bonk it, and it goes faster. As you can probably tell. So that is your Pong game. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.